Hey guys, this is Daniel. I'm with VantagePoint Software. I'm here with my 9-year-old daughter, Eloise.
Hello, everyone.
Eloise and I are going to spend some time today looking at VantagePoint and using artificial intelligence, and she is going to try to predict where the market is expected to go. She might even try to pick the bottom. You know what that means?
No.
We're going to have the help of artificial intelligence. Today is April 9th. It's about lunchtime. We just finished lunch, right?
Yes, we did.
So we're going to look at VantagePoint. We're going to try to understand what the artificial intelligence is telling us. And she's going to look at some of the stocks, some companies that I know she likes, like Netflix. We're going to look at oil. We're going to look at the markets. We're going to look at the SPY. She doesn't know what a lot of these are, but we're going to see if she could use artificial intelligence to tell us where the markets are expected to go the rest of this week. Sound like fun?
Yes, it does.
All right, let's get to it. All right, here we go. So right now we're looking at the SPY, the S&P 500, and a lot of people look at that to see what's going on in the overall markets. So we're going to teach Eloise a couple of things about VantagePoint, right?
Yes.
And we're going to see if she can predict where the market is going to go. All right, Eloise. So first of all, when you see the red area between the lines, that's the artificial intelligence saying this trend's expected to go down. When you see the green area between the lines right here in this part of the chart, right in the middle, and for those of you out there right here, that's where the software is predicting that this trend is expected to go up. Now, there's a couple other things. Down here in the middle of the chart, same thing, red and green, right? Red means what?
Red means it's expected to go down, and green means it's expected to go up.
All right, very good. Let's take a look and see if we're right. There's some lines down here at the bottom as well. There's 3 lines down here. When those 3 lines are pointing down, like right here in the middle, that's the trend saying, the software is saying that trend is expected to go down. And when they're pointing up, it means what?
They're expected to go up.
All right. See, you got it already. Now, what you want to do is make sure all of those things agree. All right. So first of all, let's take a look at right in the middle of the chart. Was the overall market expected to go down or up?
Down.
Down. Okay. And you're saying that because why?
Because when I look right there, there's more red, which means there's more down, than green, which means there's less going up.
That's a pretty good assessment. Okay. Now do me a favor. Take everything you just learned and look over here on the right-hand side of the chart. This was last night, okay?
Okay.
This side of the chart was last night. What did the artificial intelligence say the SPY is expected to do over the next few days, starting with this morning?
It's expected to go up.
Okay. All right. So what you're saying is the market is expected to go up. Would you say, by looking at this, that it's going to go up pretty strong? Or do you think it's going to go up just kind of weak and slow?
I really think it's going to go up strong.
Why, when you look at this chart, why would you say that this overall stock market is expected to go up? Do you see something on the chart that told you that?
Yes, I
What?
see the green.
The green? Ah, okay. Is it right here where the green is bigger?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I think we got an idea here. What you're saying at 9, by looking at this chart, is that the AI is saying this trend is expected to go up over the next few days. All right, let's see what happens. All right, let's go look at RBOB gasoline. Now, this is important. This is what everybody uses to put gas in their car, right? Now, you can see from the red area, prices went down a lot, right? What would you say if you look on the right-hand portion of this chart, over here on the right, what would you say about gasoline right now and what you expect over the next few days?
Right now, I'm guessing that it's going up very slowly.
Very slowly. Okay. I guess we'll see what happens there. Why slowly on this one but strong on the other one? What do you see different?
What I see different is on the far right, for the gas, it's actually, the green is very small, so that means there's a little bit of going up, but on the other one, it was bigger. So that tells me that that market was, the SPY was going up more than the gasoline.
You even got it by the right name. Good job. All right. All right, so we're saying gasoline looks like it's going to go up slower. How about this one? This is oil. This has a big impact on gasoline as well as a lot of other markets. Would you say, looking on the right-hand side of the chart, that oil is expected to go up or down?
Right now, it's expected to go up.
Up. Okay. All right. Gold. You like gold? You like everything sparkly. Do you see something different about gold when you look at this chart?
Yes.
What do you see different?
What I see different is that the green is more than the red. the gold is going very well. Especially on the right side, it's going up high.
Okay, so would you say over the next few days you think gold is going to go higher or lower or sideways?
Higher.
Higher. Okay, good. Now we're looking at Apple. Now we like our Apple iPhones, right? I think we've all got one. When you look at this chart, Apple, the stock price for Apple went down for a little while. Do you think it's going to keep going down?
No, it looks like it's going up a little bit, but it might go into a wave.
A wave? What is a wave?
When I think of wave, I mean like it goes up,
Okay.
so green, and then it comes back down to red, and it'll keep going.
Oh, you think it's going to go up and down? Okay, but right now, over the next 3 days, what do you say?
Up.
Up, okay. And this one might be your favorite. This one's Netflix. And I say that because Eloise loves streaming movies on Netflix, don't you?
Yes, I do.
All right, so would you say, looking at this chart, that Netflix is going to go up or down?
Looks like it's going to go up.
Okay. Do you think it's going to go up strong or do you think it's going to go up weak over the next 3 days?
Strong.
Strong. What makes you think it's going to be strong?
One, because there's more green, and two, because there's a lot of families staying home and they need something to do besides exercising.
Oh, a little fundamental analysis by 9-year-old Eloise. How about that? That was unexpected, but you might be right. I guess we'll have to see over the next 4 or 5 days where this goes. Today is Thursday. So what you're saying is up today, up tomorrow, maybe even up on Monday. Okay.
Yes.
We'll check it out. If the overall trend is expected to go up and it goes up, I'm going to give you a big high five now and then later if you're right. How's that sound?
Okay.
All right. Good job, guys. This was chart analysis with artificial intelligence by 9-year-old Eloise. Hope you enjoyed it.